and assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my learning studio. I'm Huria and this video is all about how to speak fluently and how to improve your English speaking skills. In this video I haven't discussed about some vocabulary and some other words because I have already made lots of videos about it, and if you guys want to know about them you can check that out on my channel, and you can also check the description because I have given some of the links of those videos in the descriptions that you can get more information from them. So what's the topic for today? Actually today I'm going to discuss about 4 basic strategies and some techniques that are really important for beginners in learning English. If you guys have just started learning English and you're searching for some better and some simple ways that can help you in a better way, then I hope that these techniques will be really helpful for you, because all those techniques I have implemented on myself. When I was learning and I was a beginner, I have tried all these things by myself, and these are really helpful for me in improving my English speaking skills. So I want to share all those techniques with you guys so that you can get some benefits from them. And I'm going to discuss all those techniques step by step so that you can clear your confusions and you can understand them in a better way. So if you guys are interested, keep watching this video. So the first technique is talk to yourself. I know I have already mentioned this technique in one of my videos because it was really important to discuss over there. So now why I'm discussing this right now, because these 4 techniques and these 4 strategies are really important to be discussed separately. Because when someone starts learning a language, I'm not mentioning the only English language, any language if you are learning for the first time, you need some specific and some simple ways to learn them in a better way without wasting your time. So I hope this will be really helpful for you. So why talking to yourself is a better way to learn and to increase your fluency, because when you talk to yourself, you don't need to rely on someone or you don't need to depend on someone, because all you have to do is discuss something, any kind of topic, any kind of story with yourself without taking any break, and I'm sure about it that it will increase your fluency in it and also your confidence to speak. Because all the time when we just start speaking, we just start learning any language, the first problem that we face is lack of confidence and we feel shy while talking to someone. So this technique and this practice will help you a lot in improving your confidence, and also it will make you less shy and you will be able to speak with anyone after practicing with yourself on daily basis. And the second technique is watching movies and listening to the music. This technique is one of my favorite techniques in learning English language, because when I was a beginner I used to implement it, or you can say they use it a lot, because while you're watching a movie it provides you a visual aid, also give you an option of providing subtitles over there, and you can choose it in any language. I'm not specifying for English language, you can use any kind of subtitle, and I know that it will be really helpful for you in improving your listening skills. And by watching movies you will get the idea that how native speakers pronounce some words and how they use some specific words and some sentences in which conditions. And one thing I want to mention here, while you're listening to music, don't focus on visual aid, or you can say the picture or anything that's happening over there. Just try to listen to the lyrics, because the lyrics are the only things that will help you to improve your listening skills. And if you guys already have this habit of listening to the music, then let me know in the comment section down below that which song you like most and which English song you have heard a lot. I mean, how many times you have heard that. So after making it your habit of talking to yourself and then listening to the music and watching movies, the third technique that I'm going to discuss with you guys is also important for improving your English speaking skills, and that is talking to a real human. Because I know most of the time people start using an application. I know there are lots of applications that give you opportunity to talk to a robot, and that robot, or you can say the girl or boy, answer you all of the questions or ask you some questions just according to the topic that is mentioned over there in that application. But I think it will never give you the same experience that you should have in real life. So it's also important for you to find a better partner, or you can say the friend to which you can practice your English speaking skills on daily basis. It will make you more confident than before, and it will also increase your fluency in it. Just try it. So here's the last and the most important techniques for the beginner is that don't compare yourself with others. While you are learning any kind of language, even it's Spanish, Korean, Chinese, English, any language if you're learning, don't compare yourself with others. Yeah, it's okay, it's better if you want to compare yourself with someone that's better than you and you want to have some guidance from them, then that's better. You can take that, you can do it. But if you are comparing yourself in a negative way, like that person is better than me or that person is doing better than me, so believe me guys, by following that, you will be in hot water. It means you will be in trouble, because most of the time when we start comparing ourselves with someone else, we feel degraded, and that's the reason that why the people give up so easily. So while you are learning anything, any kind of language, especially English language, don't compare yourself with others. You will be better, you will be perfect with practice and with the passage of time. So believe in yourself, make yourself more strong. Because when I was a beginner in this field, I still remember that I used to compare myself with others, and that was a really terrible and horrible time for me, because at that time I started feeling degraded a lot and I decided to give up. But thankfully, alhamdulillah, I never gave up. I kept working on myself, on my skills, and because I was really passionate about it. I really wanted to learn English language, and I did it to some extent. I can say that I can speak. So these were some of the techniques, the 4 techniques that were really helpful for me, and I learned from them a lot. And these really helped me to improve myself, to improve my speaking skills and also some communication skills in a better way and in a short period of time. If you also want to learn it in a short time, in an easy way, then please follow all these techniques and try to practice again and again on daily basis. Even if you will practice for half an hour in a day, that will be enough for you. And you will feel a better change in your English speaking skills. So if you're already working on these techniques or you're following some of the techniques, then let me know in comment section down below, because I always like to read your comments and I feel happy about that. So thank you so much for watching my video till end. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.